Hey, good morning, fellow traders. Welcome back. Today is Thursday, July 25th, coming to you live again. Guys, I normally do my morning recap shortly after 10 a.m. in the morning. However, I had a really busy morning, and as soon as I was done my trading, I had to split and make my way downtown Toronto. So I didn't have time to make my morning recap, so now I'm back at my home base. I'm able to do a quick recap, which is not a fun recap because it's a red day. And long story short, without getting into too much detail, I traded two stocks this afternoon, and it was 3M and Save, which is Spirit Airlines Inc. Um, it was interesting. I was a bit rushed this morning, and I felt like I entered this day with doing just a little bit under subpar kind of research, which I like to do. And anyways, you always want to blame something. And in this case, at the end of the day, really, it's only myself. But I was rushed this morning, and I just felt like I wasn't in the right frame of mind to be making solid trades. And sure enough, I turned out to be minus $550. So, it's kind of just on the threshold of my max loss. My max loss is $500, just like my daily target is between 250 and 500. So, but once again, guys, I have to stick true to my last 30 days, last month and a half, and my last 25 trading days. I still feel confident in my green track. So, anyways, long and short, I was bouncing in and out of Sprint Airlines, as you can see in the 5-minute chart or in the 1-minute chart here, guys. I was primarily short bias on this stock. As you can see, the opening. It was kind of whipping around, not too dramatically, started to, fall steep. I eventually entered the trades short and got out some profits. And you can see how as it started to do a leg up, this was my original entry of a short. I got out full position. This is where it really started to bite me down because basically, I started to go short here as I thought it was going to break this descending bull flag here. And sure enough, it bounced right up. I got out quickly as soon as it passed the 90 EMA, and I re-entered once again right here for the break. And sure enough, it did break down. So I took some profits, and started to come back up. I think I exited my full position over here. It's one of those things where that was so okay for me, but moving more further into the day, this is what it killed me. So I actually left for the day, and I placed an order with both a range, so meaning it would either hit my stop or it would hit my goal, and that was right here. My idea was it was about to break this can. Actually, no, I remember what happened here is it hit VWAP, came right back down. I entered with thinking it hit VWAP, it would come right back down. I entered, and sure enough, it came right back up. And it was sawing back and forth. The nice thing is it was making lower lows. This is where I actually had to leave around this time of day. And what I did was I ultimately ended up placing a range stop order, meaning my target was roughly in and around the low of day, and my stop was above these candle wicks over here. Sure enough, doesn't this SOB just start to peel up and stop me out? And that was a bigger loss over there. And just as I got home over here, guys, closer to the end of the day, I was bouncing around in and out a little bit. Anyways, I decided to go long in a certain portion, and that's where it chewed up my day, the minus 347. Anyways, not proud of it. It is what it is, but we'll pick this back up tomorrow. Let's look for something better tomorrow, and hopefully we'll see a green day. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to upload this, and nothing special today. It's the third red day in 25 trading days, and tomorrow I am going to be very careful with my trading, and If I don't see those perfect opportunities, I'm not going to trade. So don't be surprised if I don't have any trades tomorrow. I'm going to tone it back a little bit. I'm really going to recoup, and I'm going to use the last day of this week to ensure that I feel comfortable. I feel like I've had 2 red days in the last week and a bit, and that's too much, and consider the ratio I want to keep. So I'm going to tone it back a little bit and refocus and sort of just tunnel in and start to go back to my roots and being a little more conservative. So till then, guys, happy Thursday evening. Take care, and we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. Cheers.